Are you still using traditional water flosser? Here is the smallest smart water flosser in the world, YAMEIDA.
Hi, I'm James, one of the designers of this water flosser. Now, various water flosser products on the market, they look very heavy and not convenient to be carried because the limited use of the most of water flosser products. So our design teams start from portable and practical side. After a year of repeated polishing, research and development, design, improve, making a revolutionary breakthrough, and work out this YAMEIDA water flosser. This is what we present: a delicate water flosser subvert previous products. Hope it can go beyond tools, become your life partner. During the times we designed YAMEIDA, we met many difficulties to hope to design the size smaller again and again at the same time. As well, we shall to put the tool health and care function at the first place, after time and time again polishing and experiment. This compact but high-quality product is finally created. As you can see, it is the same size with common used lipsticks. You can put it in your backpack, pocket, handbag, carry-on, and use it anytime. No matter in home or outside, can batch your teeth anytime. YAMEIDA can be used so easily, only need 3 steps. Open the protective cover, open bottom injection door, pull the inside part out from the outside case, open the side cabin door, take out the spray head, insert the spray head into the hole, turn over the device body, add mouthwash water or drinking water, close bottom injection door, press one button, entering the using status. The storage tank capacity of YAMEIDA we accurate to be measured. Investigated a large number of target users, only 4 do the most appropriate capacity of the one mouth water. Despite small size of YAMEIDA water flosser, but water pressure still very strong. High efficient for powerful oral clean and will not leave any dead angles. Care for your teeth in all directions. When your teeth need cleaning and care, can take it out to use at any time and any place. Confidence, beautiful, fresh, elegant, delicate YAMEIDA, to you of quality. YAMEIDA will redefine your oral caring methods. Learn more, please search YAMEIDA. Give you higher quality life.